welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesithembu. So the ceremony is going on komSelegu. UMselegu ufuna ku-introducer number 5 kwabantu bakaduma, ma-guest wakhe. But amakhosikazi acasuka galunwabu, they all had their say, uMangwabe, uMayeni, uMakhumalo, saying how happy they're not happy with number 5 coming into their home and all that. And then agcina bona uvukile ukuthi hayi isimo sobucayi la. Asingicela ukuthi all the gentlemen siphumela ngaphandle sithi kuyihleba. Kanti they have a plan to go and meet to number 5 while they're saying they're going outside ukuzihleba for a quick meeting. And then they go to the gate by meet number 5. Number 5 is excited, saying in her diary sessions because she can't wait. She's been waiting for this day. It is finally here. Uzongena emagcekeni komSelegu for the first time today. She is happy. And then only to find that angeke azangena emagcekeni komSelegu. UMselegu ayemotweni abatshele ukuthi kune situation inside amakhosikazi. They are not happy about meeting number 5. So she won't be coming in. Bazombona bameet ngaphandle. She won't be coming inside the yard. And then all the guests insizwa baphume bembingelela and bamkhunge. They gifted her with a lot of money. Because bemkhunga ngemali bembingelela. And then asho kumSelegu ukuthi isimo sibucayi will plan another time to have this meeting, to have you come into the Mselegu homestead. Athi esamke uphucekile kakhulu. She's really disappointed because why did Mselegu invite her if he knew ukuthi abafumanga amakhosikazi to meet her? She is disappointed, she won't lie. Bayahambele ke uSamke nomndeni wakhe. Babuyele phakathi ke uMselegu nalensizwa benazo zimbingelela. Bangene phakathi ke sebegiya bejabulile. Kuvele kubonakala ukuthi nje hayi they are very happy. Laba ba happy kakhulu. It means something happened. Bakuvele kucace nje ukuthi it means they went outside to meet to number 5. Bangene phakathi athi uMselegu hayi umsebenzi sohambe kahle. Now we can eat. And then athi Makhumalo has everything that's happening here nje khanda lami hlangene. There's a lot going on in my mind. Athi uMangwabe yena yazi uvela ubonakala ukuthi sikhona la emcimbini but nje asidingeki. And then Jiki uMangwabe says she got a test to come and go fetch uZinande bengekho, so she has to go and fetch her. uMakhumalo bona ukuthi uMangwabe ehamba vela athi let me accompany you to go fetch uZinande. Angifuni nje nami kuba lana, at least I'm going to get some air. Kuyafana vele like ayikho into sihlalele la. Lo mcimbi akusuwane wethu. And then they go uMangwabe noMakhumalo. And then ke umsebenzi uphele athi uMselegu they want to have a family meeting yena namakhosikazi. Athi he tried to make sure ukuthi everyone feels respected. So ufuna ukwazi ukuthi bafila kanjani ke bathi athi uMayeni how are we supposed to feel? Because when nje uvele wasizuma, you surprised us with something that we didn't know. You hide it from us. You were supposed to tell us ukuthi kahle lo msebenzi owani. Usitshela ngomsebenzi ukuthi Thanksgiving, knowing exactly ukuthi kahle umsebenzi wentombi yakho. And then mangene ke uMangwabe ukuthi mina if you had told me I wouldn't have come because I did say initially ukuthi I don't want to be involved in anything that involved number 5. If you had told me bengeke ngize athi uMakhumalo nami nje angiphatheki kahle ukuthi wena you bring her espacing sethu in a home that you said is our home. Athi Mayeni ikhaya lethu la sihlala la full time, so how can you do that? Ungasitshela uzume ngihlala nawe la ekhaya ngonkosikazi wakho. You did not even think, not even once to say this is what is going to happen. We are surprised nje sonke. And then athi yazini uma cele yena athi ujabulile nje ukuthi yonke into ihambe kahle, judging by the way they are happy, kusho kona ukuthi even the Duma family is happy ngoMakhwela, bamjabulele bamamukele futhi. And then masokubhiza ukucatshana nje etafuleni, the wife saying ukuthi they're not happy with what uMselegu did. Athi uMakhumalo siyakuhlonipha baba, but wena what you did to us nje kuyakhomba ukuthi inhlonipho le thina sinikezwa yona. Athi uMselegu ungaze nje ubheke ngokunhlonipha because what you're doing right now asikona ukunhlonipha. Athi no, but I do respect you, I do. And then sichubeka ingxoxo athi kufika indaba yokuthi apparently when the gentleman had gone outside, there's some ladies in the house laba bekhona nabemcimbini abatshele uMakhumalo noMangwabe ukuthi actually bona when they got invited they were told that beza kumcimbi ka number 5 angazi mhlambe umcimbi wemalobolo noma mhlambe umshado wa number 5 bona vele nje did you know even know about the Thanksgiving. They thought umcimbi wa number 5 it had to the mcimbi vele had something to do with the number 5 because they got a voice note from uMacele telling them about the mcimbi. And then athi uMacele ufuna ukukhuluma athi uThobile, no, I'm not saying asikubuzi, we're just saying what we heard and we're not saying that it's true. Athi uMseleku, she is bothered because they're now making this whole thing about uMacele instead of ukuthi ibe ngaye, so bafuna nje bafaka uMacele phakathi, so he's not happy about that. And then uMseleku athi uyabuza kuMacele ukuthi how manje did you send that voice note na? Athi uMacele yazini because kubuza uThobile not wena. I'm not going to answer that question. Avela casuke uMacele ahambe. And then when they're busy complaining ukuthi why would you want to bring uMakhwele espacing sethu la sihlala khona ekhaya lethu, athi uMacele in the table she's quiet, she's not even commenting, she's not saying anything, but then she says in her diary sessions ukuthi yena nje akekho unkosikazi ofike eMzumbe nasehlala eMzumbe. They discussed this nobaba wakhe ukuthi yena uzobe sehambile before amakhosikazi afika. So when everyone came, she was already staying eSipaki yena nje akekho unkosikazi ofike yena khona la. So that's so hypocritical of her because now she expects the others to be fine with others coming, but yena akafunanga nje kuba khona when any of the wives came. And then akhulume ke, I don't know what they were talking about, and then uvele indaba ukuthi athi uMakhumalo abaye kwaMacele. I don't know if maybe there are people who wanted a place to sleep or something, because athi uMakhumalo abaye kwaMacele because ilaba afikele khona. Athi abafikele kwamjani because bathi uMacele was just welcoming them. Athi cha bafikele kwaMacele bebe kwaMacele vele before beza la endlini enkulu beba kwaMacele, so abaye kwakhe. Athi uMseleku cha bafikela khona, all of you were not there, uMacele to welcome them. Athi uMayeni, I don't understand ukuthi kwenzakalani la because vele bafikele kwaMacele vele naye kwabonile bakwaMacele, so I don't know, she doesn't know why uMacele phika. Athi no Mangwabe vele beba kwaMacele yena vele beyihlalele kwakhe ngasesangweni where she can just live freely, but I understand ukuthi why amela fihle uMacele ukuthi bafikele kwakhe. And also, and then Macele says in her diaries ukuthi how yena she's shocked to come here eMzumbe and find uMayeni because Mayeni yena according to uMayeni bekade hambile akubo, so it doesn't make sense ukuthi now she's here eselwa nabo. And then athi uMangwabe yazi lento enziwe uMseleku ukukhombisa kona ukuthi nje akababeka indawo akabavaliwe as women futhi abahlonishwa, isho khomba kona nje ukuthi this is something that she has always been saying ukuthi uMseleku does not care about other people's feelings but his own feelings kuphela. So that is it about this episode. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And then uMseleku said something very funny. He said that uMakhumalo uyokhihliza amagwebu kakhulu. It's strange. Azathi in his diaries ukuthi yabona lo Makhumalo ohleli la, the one that I met emncane and fell in love with her is not the same Makhumalo that you are seeing today. Usengijikela kusese uye. uMakhumalo was angry. She was not happy at all kulo mcimbi. Ubedinekile nje because of everything that transpired. I feel like all the wives were not happy except for Macele because she was happy ukuthi ufikile number 5 akangena number 5. They must feel the hate. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.